What's up, everybody, and welcome back to Nup Effects. It is Chris here, and I apologize. It has been a very, I don't want to say a little while because it's been a little bit more than that since I put out a video, but I am currently working on a collaboration. I've got some contracts in the works that I've been heavily focused on, so I decided to make a quick little tutorial on a metallic 3-part paint job, you can say. I say 3-part because I use a primer and then a spray paint and then the finishing touches that way, but it can be done in 2 if you have a paint and primer in 1 and then you do your finishing touches. So what I'm going to show you is these right here. This is like a galleon from the Harry Potter universe. I'm going to show some better video of each part coming up after I give the tutorial, but the galleon, what I use is a primer first, normally a white or a gray primer. Gray primer brings out everything the best, but what I have on hand right now is a white primer. So what I did is primed both sides white, then I came back in with a satin or a matte black, just covered everything nice and evenly, and then after that I come in with these metallic color rub-and buffs, and I use my finger and put down all these little details inside of everything. So it's real simple, real easy, real quick, and if you want to, you can seal it up in a matte clear, which I might do because these things are going to be knocked around a little bit, and that matte clear just helps protect everything a little bit more. So with that being said, I am now going to show you some close-up pictures. So enjoy it. Thank you for sticking around to the end of the video. Like I said, I'm working on a collaboration with an Instagrammer, so that video is in the works right now, showing how to weather and battle damage some figures. So if you want to see that, make sure you hit the subscribe, give this video a like if you liked it. There are links down in the description below that help support the channel and help me creating and making these things. And stay safe, and I'll see you on the next one.